Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and here if you want to add some icons to top bar or just to remove some icons or to change the positions, click here on this edit icon, scroll down, and here you'll see just on this down section icons which you can add to your device top bar. For example, to add the location, hold it and drag it here to this subsection. Also, we can add all of them if you want here by the same way. To remove some icons from top bar, just by the same way, hold the icon and drag it here to this down section. If you want to save the changes, just go back and that's it. Also, we can just change their positions here. If you want to do that, just hold for a while and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. Then just save the changes, go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.